Guys, are you ready for this? There's an episode from the Borough box that has snoring in it, and that episode is titled Snoring. In this episode, you can see that Zach is snoring in the time stop 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Here's the sound, and I'm gonna loop it for you.
Zach, wake up. 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 Zach, wake up.
You heard it now? It got me rolling on the floor, and it was so funny. I can't get away from it. You see? That made me burst out laughing so hard, and it made me die to the ground.